When people walk through our front door, one of the first things they notice is actually our internal doors. They become this really critical focal point of a house. When we bought the place, it was split up into much smaller rooms. Everything felt pokey and insular, so we sort of wanted to modernise it, open it up, make it so that we could feel like there was more space, more light coming through, and just feel like a sort of nicer family environment. What we loved about these doors in particular was the ability for us to, I guess, segregate off those spaces while still allowing a sense of openness and for that light to sort of pass through.
Our doors previously, the double doors were definitely sort of had a look of old-fashionedness about them. The door into the lounge, that never shut properly. So we've had installed Origin internal doors, which are just lovely. I'm very excited about them. They're black and you get to choose how many panels you want. So I chose 4 and I went for satin for the glass. I like the fact that it lets more light into our hallway, it lets light into this room, but it also gives us the privacy, which is great. It all feels very bespoke. So at the end you get such a lovely design.
You can put in any number of opening doors, French single, fixed lights. We had choices over the kick plate at the bottom. There were 5 different handle options that we looked at in various colours around those different styles. So yeah, a whole host of different ways of kind of speccing the doors up. The way they perform, it feels like they're bulletproof. They've got a really nice reassuring kind of clunk when you close them. You feel like a nice resistance when you're kind of operating the handle. The whole thing feels really solid, very, very professionally made.
They just look fantastic. They just give it a really sort of upmarket feel. Every time I come down the stairs, I'm like, oh, look at my doors. I love them.
It has been transformative, but particularly in our situation, we've got young kids and a dog. There are just so many moments where having that flexibility to separate off noise, separate off aromas, but also still keep that sense of spaciousness and allowing the light to pass through the place. It's everything we hoped we would have gotten out of these doors.